and good morning 5p. So today's maths is looking at two different things. The first one is estimating and rounding on page 15. And what it's wanting us to do a lot today actually is we've got decimal numbers and we're wanting to look at rounding those to whole numbers. So I've got my first example here, 3.87 times 4.93. Well, we can't do that using the methods that we've got. We've not got a very good chance of doing it. So what it's asking us to do today is estimate. So because it's 3.87 and that 8, it tells us that this is actually close to 4, because 8 would round up. If we look at our next one, we've got 4.93. If we're looking at rounding it, our 0.93, there's a 9, would go up. So we've got 4 and 5. Now, because we're estimating, we know now that this number is going to be near to 20, because 4 times 5 equals 20, and this number is near 4 and this number is not far from 4. They're both smaller than these numbers, so our number will be less than 20, but it gives us a good estimation of it. It's going to be about that. So if we had these numbers, we've got 3.94, we'd want to make it to be near to 4, because the 0.94 would go up. However, this next one, 21.16, because it's a 1, we wouldn't round up, we'd round it down to 21. However, this next one, 34.76, because it's a 7, we'd round it up to make 35. We have done this in class, but it was a few weeks ago, shortly after Christmas. Doing this and making these into whole numbers will make that page a lot easier. What it's also asking us at times is remembering how can we check it. And quite often we check it by using the inverse. So if we're doing a multiplication question, the inverse, so if we did something like 6 times by 12 equals 72, the inverse, we would do division, we would do 72 divided by 6. If you use your bus stop method, we would get 12. So it's checking it by using the inverse. The second page is looking at page 17. Today is looking at square numbers. And we've done page 16 already. Today's page 17, my huge tip would be to write out your square numbers. And square numbers are numbers that you've multiplied by themselves. So 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 is a square number. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 4 equals 60. Now I'm not going to go any further, because if not I'm going to give you all the work and the answers and things for that. So we're going to stop with those. Questions today are like this. And it's not wanting us to put in any numbers, it's not just going to write 20 and 5. It's wanting us to put in square numbers. So if we look at our 4 square numbers that I've completed, 1, 4, 9 and 16. We need to decide which ones of those are square numbers. Have a little look and have a think. So in this case, we're looking through them. There's only 2 numbers that we can do. 16 and 20 and 9. 16 and 9 add together to equals 25. There's no other options. Okay? There's a question on cube numbers. Remember, a cube number is if you times by itself 3 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. So 4 cubed will be 4 times 4 times 4. And that example will actually give you a help when you come to a cube question in your book. All the best, good luck. Please do send me a message if you want any more help. Thank you and goodbye.